Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Adobe Express to remove a background from an image. So in Adobe Express, I am in the Home section, and I'm going to scroll down to Try a Quick Action. And here is Remove Background. Now, if for some reason I don't see it down here, I can always click on the plus button and go over to Quick Actions and find Remove Background. And so all I need to do is just drag and drop an image. So I'm going to browse for an image on my device, and I'm going to select this one. And so right now you can see it's removing the background. It's working on it. And so there you have it. Here is my image with the removed background, and I can either download it or I can customize it by throwing it into an Adobe Express graphic, and I can play with just the different filters, and I can add text and a different background and all kinds of different things.